In the soft morning light, Mirha, dressed in her school uniform, readies herself before the mirror. Hussein sits quietly in the corner, his gaze fixed on Mirha, a deep sadness clouding his eyes. Hussein's voice, soft and filled with longing, breaks the morning stillness. Aapi, can I go to school with you too? Mirha smiles reassuringly, her voice filled with promise. Just a few more days, then you'll come with me. As Mira returns to preparing for her day, Hussein watches her every move, his sadness momentarily softened by her words. As dawn breaks, Mirha strides down the street, her backpack swaying with each purposeful step. Hussein stands at the window, his tiny hand raised in a tender farewell, a shadow of longing crossing his face. His gaze lingers, tracing her path as she disappears into the distance, the silence amplifying his solitude. A soft whisper escapes his lips. "Miss you, Aapi. Come back soon." In the quiet classroom, Mirha is immersed in her notebook, her focus absolute. A vibrant rainbow emerges from her drawing, illuminating the page with hope. Mirha and Hussein stand hand in hand beneath the colorful arc, a testament to their bond. Best brother ever! Mirha's heartfelt message bursts forth in playful letters celebrating her affection for Hussein. The teacher glances over, a warm smile gracing her lips as she witnesses Mirha's heartfelt creation.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.